On average, the human body contains of 2.4 gram iron in women and 3.8 gram iron in men. Iron is present in all human cells. Hemoglobin makes up 96% of the red blood cells. Hemoglobin is the iron containing oxygen transport metalloprotein in red blood cells. It carries oxygen from the lungs to other transpiratory organs to the rest of the body tissue, which permits aerobic respirations that provides energy for body metabolisms. Hemoglobin has an oxygen binding capacity of 1.34 milliliter oxygen per gram. Hemoglobin can bind up to 4 oxygen molecules. The hemoglobin molecules is an assembly of 4 globular protein subunits, each having a non-protein heme group. The bound iron can be in Fa2 plus or Fa3 form. There are a number of variants of hemoglobin, the most common in human being hemoglobin A. Some variants are associated with diseases such as thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. Normal levels of hemoglobin in human blood are 13.8 until 18 gram per deciliter for men, 12.1 until 15.1 gram per deciliter for women, 11 until 14 gram per deciliter during pregnancy, and 11 until 16 gram per deciliter for children. In addition to hemoglobin, iron is also present in myoglobin, which is an oxygen storage protein and not an oxygen transporter protein. It has a structure similar to hemoglobin, but is monomer and lacks cooperative bonding. It gives a dark red or gray color to muscle tissue. Just like plants, iron is the form in which it absorbed by the human gut. The absorption of iron is thought to be mediated through the receptors DMT1. But this may not be the only mechanisms. Other forms of Fa may in the human gut. Since a specific receptors for lactoferrin occurs and a large number of Fa receptor genes in microorganisms exist, there is a possibility of ferritin receptors in human gut. In addition, ferritin could be absorbed by the opening of specific pores, binding the oxygens in lung and carrying it from there to all other body tissue is the main functions of irons. Humans cannot survive without an adequate oxygen supply. While hemoglobin does the job of binding oxygen, the transferrin in plasma does the job of transferring it to other tissues, where myoglobin stores it until it is used. Other functions of iron include maintaining a healthy immune system and aiding in energy productions.